Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making this amazing stuffed plantain recipe. This was given to me by my Mexican friend and I do hope you guys love it. It is absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So first, what we'll need is 3 turn plantains. Again, if you guys are new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. Then we're going to add some water to a pot and we are going to boil this. Now make sure to season your water with your seasoning, your preference. I just use some bouillon. You can use some salt. That is just fine. We are going to strain. Now make sure to boil this plantain until they are fork tender. Place in a nice clean bowl, and while it is hot, we are going to mash this. We're going to mash this really well. Now your arms need to be really strong because you'll be doing lots of mashing, okay? So then we are going to add some green onions and continue mashing. So I just give it my own little twist. I added some Parmesan cheese within the mixture. Guys, this plantain actually comes together really well, like a dough, as you can see there. Now, you know, plantains, we cannot left sitting for a long time. It's gonna get really tough. So I place that in a plastic wrap and cover until I prepare the filling. So there I am doing the onion, the bell peppers, the spinach, and you can season to your likeness and taste. Then we are going to pan sear some salmon and set that aside. Now we are going to add some salmon cream cheese and Parmesan cheese to the spinach mixture. We're going to mix everything well, make sure it is really well combined. Set that aside. Then we are going to roll our plantain out. Make sure it is still nice and soft. And it rolls out really well, guys. You're going to add some more cheese. And then you're going to add your spinach. And you're going to add your salmon, like really big chunks. Now here you can add whatever meat you like, but I'm not doing meat for a minute, so I choose to do salmon. So to make our cream sauce, there I'm adding some butter and some flour. Add some garlic, onion powder, fine thyme, and that is dry thyme I'm using. And you are going to add your half and half, season to your likeness. Go ahead and add your Parmesan, your smoked Gouda, and your cheddar or any cheese of your choice. When it becomes really nice and thick, you are going to open the plantains, which you would have rolled to form that log right there, and you're going to remove it from the plastic. Pour the cream sauce right over the top. You can even use some of the cream sauce for garnishing, or you can use marinara sauce. I mean, just play with this. Then go ahead and top with some cheese. Mo cheese, baby. Look at that right there. Bake in a 365 degrees for 20 minutes. And then I just broil it to give the top that really golden color, looking beautiful. Absolutely delicious. I just can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. All right, you just got to be patient with it though. All right, so thank you guys for joining me today. Please do not forget to subscribe and share. Love you guys. Bye-bye.